everyone. Welcome to Studying is Fun, and we will be learning about odd and even numbers. Let's learn this. I'm going to show you some odd numbers and some even numbers. Okay, so we have 7 and 2. Which one do you think is odd and which one do you think is even? I'm going to let you look for a bit. You can pause this video if you want to. So we're going to be back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you've given up or if you found the answer, let's see if you're right.
Do you guys give up?
Never! So 7. Let's draw 7. 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 of these can be linked up. Let's just pretend that these are weights, okay? Because why not? So these are weights, all right? Let's see how many we can make weights for. 1, 2, 3. What about this lonely one? This is what makes it odd. Now for 2. 1, 2. How many weights can we make? We can make 1 weight. So, and is there any left out? No, there's no left out. Nothing's left out. So that would make 2 even, all right? I'm going to show you another example. We have 6 and 3. So with 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 1, 2, we can make a weight. Then there's this lonely one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, we can make these things too. But you can see with this one, there's something left out. But with this, they can all be grouped together. Now, guys, if you understand, don't click away from the video. Instead, I'm going to show you more examples. But if you already know it, then skip to the timestamp on the screen right here. Skip to that. I'm going to show you some more. So here's 4. And here's 9. Which one's even and which one is odd? Let's see. Pause the video if you want to find out yourself. Okay. So, yeah, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How can we make weights? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Now let's try 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many weights can we make? Okay, we've got a weight. We've got another one. We got another one. We got another one. Look at this poor little thing. Forgot about him. Well, we can't group it with any other of these. So that makes 9 odd. Odd. And it makes 4 even because you can connect them all and they all have a pair. Okay? So now let's try something else. We're going to try 2-digit numbers. Ooh, 2-digit numbers. All right, 2-digit numbers. Let's try this. 25. Now, what do you think this is? Try it on a piece of paper if you want to try it. All right. So, if you still haven't finished yet, then you can pause this video. But if you're ready, then I'm going to show you. So, look at 25. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, we don't actually have to bother that. You know what? I want to show you something, a trick. So we have 2 and 5. Let's just get rid of this 2 for now. We're going to need it later, but we're just going to pretend this 2 doesn't exist. So we're just going to focus on the 5, guys. Focus on the 5. Forget about the 2. Focus on the 5. So let's see if 5 is odd or even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many weights can we make? 1, 2, 3, 4. And, oh man, poor little thingy. So since the 5 is odd, that makes the entire 25 odd. So just because this 5 is odd, the entire thing is odd. It's odd. That actually looks kind of ugly. I'm sorry. It's odd. The entire thing is odd. Using Christmas colors. It's not even Christmas. 374. Is 374 even or odd? Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doop, doop. Okay, even or odd?
Even.
It's even. So that makes the entire 374 even. Okay, guys, if you learned something new, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. And also, if you've made it this far, you must like my content. So, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.